Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, you need to open the settings, then scroll down and find here about device. Here choose the storage, and as you can see here I have 256 gigabytes, and I have used only 31 gigabytes. So remember the one rule: if you don't want to slow down your device, never fill up your internal storage over the 70%. So in my case 70% will be 169 maybe. So let's open the calculator and calculate it. So I have 256 gigabytes minus 30%. It will be 179. Okay, not 69 but 79. So when you fill up, if you have 256 gigabytes, if you fill up 179 gigabytes, it means that your device is starting to slowing down. So any device is starting to slowing down after filling it up over the 75%. So never fill it up. Cool. Go back, find here RAM, and here we have really good opportunity to expand our RAM. RAM is the storage, internal temporary storage inside your device, and all processes are running at the moment in the smartphone. They are running in the RAM, and here again the winner one who invests in a device with more temporary storage, but you can extend it using the part of normal internal storage, and it's really great opportunity because you have fast internal storage and you can use part of the internal storage to like RAM. Okay, cool. So choose here 8 or 4 gigabytes, restart your device and use more temporary storage. It's really great. And the last, of course, you need to clean up your device from time to time. You have pre-installed application called Phone Manager. So open it, and here you will see Optimize button. Click on it button, and it will clean up junk files and files from and processes from memory to optimize your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.